Hi, I am Officer Thomas Johnson. Are you Mrs. Anandi Sharma?
Yes, I am. Good afternoon. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. I will interview you today, so please follow me to my office.
Okay.
Feel free to put your belongings next to your chair, but please remain standing. I'll need to put you under oath.
Okay, Mr. Johnson.
Now, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the statement you will give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Good. Please take a seat.
Thank you.
How are you doing?
I am fine. Thank you. How about you?
I am good, thank you. Do you come here with anyone?
Yes, my husband drove me here.
How was the traffic?
It was so busy, but luckily we came here on time.
Good. Are you feeling nervous about your interview today?
Yes, a little, but I studied very hard and I hope I'll do well.
You'll do well. Now, before we start the interview, can you show me your lawful permanent resident card, all of your passports, and state-issued identification?
Of course. Here they are.
What is your full name?
My full name is Anandi Sharma.
Do you have a middle name?
No, I don't.
Can you spell your first name?
Anandi.
Is the name on your green card the same as your current legal name?
Yes, they are.
Have you ever used any other names?
No, I haven't.
Tell me how you are eligible to become a US citizen.
I have been a lawful permanent resident for over 5 years.
What is your date of birth?
It's October 5th, 1980.
What is your date of permanent residence?
It's June 23rd, 2013.
Was your mother or father a US citizen before your 18th birthday?
No, they weren't.
What is your country of birth?
It's India.
What is your nationality?
It's India too.
Where do you live now?
I live in San Jose.
What is your current home address?
It's 388 Santana Row, San Jose, California, 95128.
How many years have you been living there?
I have been living there for 8 years, since I came to the US.
What is your home phone number?
408-426-8395.
Who do you live with?
I live with my husband and my daughter.
Great. How do you support yourself?
I work now.
What do you work?
I'm a manicurist.
Where do you work?
I work for Kitchen Nail Bar.
Where is it?
486 Blossom Hill Road, San Jose.
How long have you worked there?
I have worked there for 2 years.
Did you work before that?
Yes, I did. I worked as a manicurist, also for Beautiful Nails Care.
Is it in San Jose?
Yes, it is at 3080 Driftwood Drive, San Jose.
Okay, let me continue. Have you taken any trips outside of the US in the last 5 years?
Yes, I have.
How many trips did you take?
I took only one trip to India with my daughter.
How many days did you take?
I took 14 days.
What date did you leave and what date did you return to the United States?
I left on September 2nd, 2018, and returned on September 16th, 2018.
What was the purpose of your trip?
I went to India to visit my family.
Okay, now I'm going to ask you about your marital history. Are you married?
Yes, I am.
How many times have you been married?
Only one.
When did you get married?
I got married on August 23rd, 2008.
Where did you get married?
In India.
What is your spouse's name?
His name is Anil Khan.
Is he a US citizen?
No, he isn't, but he has a green card.
What is his nationality?
He is Indian.
Does he work now?
Yes, he is a software development engineer.
Where does he work?
He works for IBM Corporation.
Very good. Do you have any children?
Yes, we have a daughter.
How old is she?
She is 3 years old.
Was she born in the US or in India?
She was born in the US.
Okay, that's enough for the individual information. Now let's move to part 12 of your Form N400.
Okay, Mr. Johnson.
Have you ever claimed to be a US citizen?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever registered to vote in any federal, state, or local election in the United States?
No, I never.
Do you owe any federal, state, or local taxes that are overdue?
No, I will always pay all my taxes with my spouse.
Good. Have you ever called yourself a non-US resident on federal, state, or local tax returns?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been a member of a terrorist organization?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been a member of a rebel group?
No, I never.
What is a rebel group?
It is a group of people who fight against the government.
Correct. Let's continue. Have you ever committed a crime or offense for which you were not arrested?
No, I never.
Have you ever been arrested, cited, or detained by any law enforcement officer for any reason?
No, I haven't.
Have you ever been in jail?
No, I never.
What is jail?
It is a place where people are kept as a punishment for a crime.
Have you ever helped anyone enter or try to enter the United States illegally?
No.
Have you ever been deported from the United States?
No, I never.
Do you support the Constitution and form of government of the United States?
Yes, I support the Constitution.
Do you understand the full oath of allegiance?
Yes, I do.
Are you willing to take the full oath of allegiance to the United States?
Yes, I am.
If the law requires it, are you willing to bear arms on behalf of the United States?
Yes, I am.
What is bear arms?
It means to carry or be equipped with weapons to fight.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform non-combatant services in the U.S. Armed Forces?
Yes, I am. I will support the Army.
If the law requires it, are you willing to perform work of national importance under civilian direction?
Yes, I am.
Okay, Mrs. Sharma. Do you promise that everything you have said is true?
Yes, I do.
Now we'll move to the next part of the interview. I need to make sure that you are able to read and write English. Please take the tablet and read the sentence on it aloud for me.
When do we vote for president?
It's correct. Now, please write this sentence on the tablet. I will read it for you. We vote for the president in November.
Excuse me, can you say it again?
We vote for the president in November.
Okay, here you go.
Very good. Now I'll ask you up to 10 questions about the United States history and government. If you can answer 6 out of them correctly, you will pass the Civics Test. Are you ready?
Yes, I am. I studied very hard for this test.
Good. The first question. What do we call the first 10 amendments to the Constitution?
The Bill of Rights.
Right. What stops one branch of government from becoming too powerful?
Checks and balances.
Who does a U.S. Senator represent?
All people of the state.
How many justices are on the Supreme Court?
9.
Who is the governor of your state now?
Gavin Newsom.
Very good. Under our Constitution, some powers belong to the states. What is one power of the states?
Provide schooling and education.
What is one responsibility that is only for United States citizens?
Vote in a federal election.
When was the Constitution written?
1787.
What did the Emancipation Proclamation do?
Freed the slaves.
What major event happened on September 11th, 2001 in the United States?
Terrorists attacked the United States.
Perfect. You did so well and passed the test. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Mrs. Sharma, I hope you will be a good citizen of the US.
Sure, Mr. Johnson.